Hello and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at 13th of October 2024's Ascending Starters by Clover. Clover is one of our starters here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. Hello, it's a pleasure to see you again. Have you been up to much? Did you have something to eat this morning? Um, and I'm going to be solving today's puzzle for you. Hello, it's my pleasure and honor. This is Ascending Starters by Clover. But we are gas. If you like what we do here, drop us a like or a follow. If you're like, what is he doing? I have no idea. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the girl reading this. You can find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. Hat times are our indicator of how fast or slow you are solving a puzzle. 2 hats is for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, let's get into today's puzzle. Now, normal Sudoku rules apply. So, each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, each clue tells you the sum of the entire run of increasing digits that start at that location. Runs may consist of only 1 digit. The digit immediately after a run must not be increasing. So, a clue of 7 above clue 1 could indicate that the clue starts with a 7, something like this, but then it would need a digit less than 7 after it. Make sense? Cool. I hope so. If not, I'm about to give this puzzle a go, so, watch along. But I do highly recommend that you give this a go. I have been quoted as saying this puzzle slaps, which is common parlance meaning very good. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so, if you are familiar with cracking the cryptic, you may be aware that the digits 1 to 9 sum to 45. Now, this run sums to 44, which means it must not include that digit. So, all of these digits must ascend from 2, so we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similarly, this run down here, 43, must ascend downward, and it can't include that 2, so it must be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, 2 is not 5. You are shocked to know this, but because 2 is not 5, it means we need to add at least 1 more digit for it to become 5. So let's add a 3 because we need to ascend upwards. Hey, look, 3 and 2 make 5, but I need a digit less than 3 for this to work. So let's put a 1 there. 5 and 6 mean that this is a 5-6 pair. This is a 4-7 pair. Now, you'll be shocked to know this as well. 7 is not equal to 24, which means we need to add at least another digit. So we're going to put an 8 there, and then we're going to put a 9 here. 9, 8, and 7 do make 24, in fact. 7 over here means that I need to add more digits. Now, the lowest digit that I can add is 3, 4, 5, which does make a 7. Now, 2 and 5 mean that I need to place a digit less than 5 in here, but I've already put 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the box, so 1 must be it. Now, this is 3, 4, and 6. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Yeah, sorry. I was like, hang on. No, it's fine. 8 and 9 mean that 8 and 9 can't go here. The 8 here tells us which way around this pair goes, 8 and 9. 6 and 7 left to place in box 1. We have a 7 here. Means we put a 6 here. 3 can't go in any of these cells. This is a 3, meaning this is 1, 2, and 4. 2 and 5 to place in row 3. We have a 2 here, which tells us how it goes. That 5 undoes that 5-6 pair down there. This is 6 and 7, but we have a 6 down here, which tells us that this is 7 and 6. That 7 unwinds the 4-7 pair in box 9. Now, we have essentially 2 of the variant clues left to do. Let's do them. We can actually just do them now, which is lovely. 5. Now, 5 is not 13, so we need to add at least another digit. But because 2 is less than 5, it means that this ascending run will end straight after these 2 cells. So 5 plus 8 is going to give us our 13. We can... hang on. What have I done? I've done something. If you're like, what's he done? Where does 9? This is 4, but then this has to be 1 and 7. But I've already got a 7, and there can't be a 9. What have I done? Okay. 8 and 9 are fine. 3 and 4 are fixed, so that's fine. That has to be 8, and that's 7. Not. Alright, someone in the comments is going to tell me when I made that mistake, and has probably been waiting for me to undo it. Interesting. Yeah, that's fine. And then... okay, I'm gonna back it the whole way up and go for it. So let's speed run through the stuff that I did. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has to be 8. 9 here means that this is a 1 and 4. Alright, 2 and 3 mean that that has to be 1. 5 and 6 mean that that's a 4, 7. And... this is 5, 6, and 7. I have a feeling that I've just made a dumb typo. If I was truly ashamed of making a mistake, what I would actually do is I'd just unwind. I might just start this puzzle again. Nah, you know what? I spent the whole weekend teaching at PAX. I'm just going to leave that error in today's video. And because even though I make a bunch of puzzles on the daily, I feel that as a person, we should grow and also not be afraid to make mistakes. Now, 7, 8, and 9 go that way. 5 and 6 mean that 5 and 6 must go down here, because where else can they go in row 9? 6 it tells us which way around that goes. This is 4, 8, and 9. And then, where's 4 go in box 7? 4 has to go there, because we already have 4 here and 4 here, which look down into these. This is 3, 4, and 6. I think that was that where I went wrong? I'm not going to lose any sleep over this, but let's do the last little bit of variant logic for this puzzle. So, 13 means that this is a lot more restricted than it looks. Now, if this is 3, it definitely takes the second digit, because 3 isn't equal to 13. It can't take 10 and any to make 13, so as 3 and 9 makes 12, then it must take a third digit to make that 13. Which seems fine, but 3 plus 2 would make 8, so that doesn't work, because these 3 numbers have to go up. So this can't be 3. It also can't be 3 because that one's there, but that's fine. Now, 4 and 9 will work, but 6 and 7 can't work because we already have a 7 there. So 4 and 9. Because 4 and 1 means that these 2 would go down and cancel that run. 6 over here. 6 and 3. I'm trying not to make another mistake. 1, 5, and 2. 2, 1, and 3. That has to be a 1 and 3, but we have a 3 over here, so let's unwind that for us. 2, 3, and 7 here. We have a 3 and a 7, so that's a 2. This 7 over here tells us which way around these go. I can clean up my pencil marks a little bit. I'll take the 7 out. I think I'm just having a bunch of fat finger errors today. Take the 4 out of there. Take the 4 out of here. So this is, yes, 5 and 8 look here, meaning this is a negative single 9. So this is 8, 4, 9. This must be 5. And now this is 3 and 4, which we know how to do. 1, 4, and 8. Hey, that's nice. Where does 4 go in column 5? 4 must go there. This is now 8 and 1, 2 and 1, and 2 and 6. This has been Ascending Starters by Clover. My name is Bill Murphy. Feel free to drop your hat times in the comments, or, just rinse me for making a mistake. That's fine too. But wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will catch you next time. Cheers!